Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good morning, student. Now we have started the practice set 4.3. In that, okay, the first part we have solved, that is to find out the value of 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. Okay, now we will see the second part. उसका second parts देखेंगे. Second part. Okay. So what we have to find out here in second part? Let's see. Now here we have to find out 2a square, value of 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. ये हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? वैल्यू ऑफ 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b. Okay, and what is the original ratio? Original ratio is a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3. Original ratio is what? A upon b is equals to 7 upon 3. Now here we want the square of a and square of b, and then square of a to be multiplied with 3 and square of b to be multiplied by 3. So here we will, yes, first square it, then we will multiply with the 2 and 3 in numerator as well as in denominator. दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, तो नाउ मल्टीप्लाई स्क्वायरिंग. पहले क्या करते हैं? स्क्वायर करते हैं. स्क्वायरिंग on both sides. Okay, because here we want the square of a and square of b, so that's why we are squaring here. So this will square of a upon square of b, so here square of 7 and square of 3. So this will give you a square upon b square is equals to square of 7 is 49 and square of 3 is 9. Okay, now see, before a square we want the 2 and before the b we want the b square, we want the 3. So here we have to multiply by the 2 upon 3. So here it will be 2 and here it will be 3. Now multiplying both sides by by 2 upon 3. So that's why, yes, this will be a square into 2, 3 into b square. So here 49 into 2 upon 9 into 3. So this will give you 2a square upon 3b square, and here 2 into 9, 2 9 ja 18, carry 1, 2 4 ja 8, 8 or 1 9, 9 3 ja 27. Okay, the value of 2a square upon 3b square is equals to 98 upon 27. Now see here, yes, there is addition of this denominator in the numerator, and there is a subtraction of the denominator from the numerator. So this is the property of componendo dividendo. ये किसकी प्रॉपर्टी है? componendo dividendo की. So here we will do the componendo dividendo, then the expression will be obtained. So therefore 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. So here 98 plus 27 upon 98 minus 27. Okay, by componendo dividendo. Okay, ये कैसे हुआ? कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो से। तो नाउ yes, right hand side are the numbers, so that number will be added and subtracted. So 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equals to, now 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1, 9 and carry 1 10, 10 and 2 12, and here 8 minus 7 is 1 and 9 minus 2 is equals to 7, so 71. Now 71 is the prime number, it cannot be factorized. Okay, so here this will be your answer. ये क्या हो जाएगा? आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. Now see the next expression that we have to obtain here, third expression. Now third expression is third one, तीसरा जो है. What is the third one? A cube minus b cube upon b cube. Okay, now see, original ratio a upon b. Okay, in the denominator b is there and in numerator a is there, and this is equals to 7 upon 3. Now see here, in the expression that we want to find out, here it is square of a and square of b. So here we have to square it first. So sorry, not square, it is cube of 3 a and cube of b. Okay, and cube of b. So we have to, yes, find out the cube of the a and b. Okay, so now therefore a cube upon b cube is equals to cube of 7 and cube of 3. Okay, cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. दोनों साइड क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? क्यूब्स फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. क्या फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? क्यूब्स. तो क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. Now that's why a cube upon b cube and cube of 7. Okay, now yes, 7 to power 3. So 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 7 is equals to 9 7 ja 63. 9 7 ja 63. Carry 6. Carry 6. 9 4 7 4 ja 28. 28 and 6 34. So this is 343, and cube of 3 is equals 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. So this will be 27. Understood? So here we found the cube. यहाँ पे क्या किया हम लोगों ने? क्यूब फाइंड आउट किया. Now see, there is a subtraction of denominator from the numerator and denominator remain as denominator. So this is the dividendo. This is the dividendo properties. Okay, ये dividendo की properties है. So here we will find out the dividendo. Okay, a cube upon b cube is equals to 343 upon 27. Okay, now therefore a cube minus b cube upon b cube. So here a cube 343 and minus b cube 27 upon 27. So therefore a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equals to, now yes, 3 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. Here 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 and 3. Okay, upon 27. Okay, it's clear now. ये समझ में आ गया. Now check out, is 316 is divisible by 27 or not? क्या करना है? चेक आउट करना है ये क्या है, डिविजिबल है क्या नहीं. So now this number is divisible by the 2 and this is not 2, so that's why this cannot be divided by 2. Let's check with the 3. So 3 plus 6 9 and 1 10. So this is not divisible by 3, so that's why these numbers are not divisible by 3. Okay, now yes, this 27 can be divisible by 9. So now yes, check it, it is divisible by 9 or not. So 9 3 is 27, remainder is 4, it will become 46. So it is not divisible by. So that's why a cube minus b cube upon b cube will be 316 upon 27. Now yes, fourth value that we have to find out is 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. Okay. Now next expression that we have to find out is what? 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. So now see the original ratio. Always we have to start with the original ratio. Original ratio is a upon b and this is equals to 7 upon 3. Now yes, before a there is 7. Before a there is 7. So that's why we have to multiply a with 7 and in the denominator there is okay 9b. So that's why yes, denominator will be multiplied by 9. So multiplying both sides by 7 upon 9. So therefore a upon b into 7 upon 9. So on the right hand side also we have to multiply it by the 7 upon 9. So already 7 upon 3 is there. 7 into 9. Okay, so this will become 7a upon 9b, and this will 7 7 is 49 and 9 3 is 27. Okay, understood till here? Now see,
क्या लिखा है मेजरमेंट क्या लिखा है
सही था, यस
सही
वाई
है ना
डबल ई की है, हाँ
तो बोलते साजिदा है
आई दिख रहा लेकिन ऊपर डॉट भी दिख रहा है।
तो मैंने भर दी सही था
तो 7 अपॉन 9 बी इज इक्वल टू 49 अपॉन 27। क्या है ये? 7 अपॉन 9 बी इज इक्वल टू 49 अपॉन 27। नाउ यू सी दिस इज द कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो। कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो दिख रहा है, ये दिख रहा है ना, डॉट भी दिख रहा है।
तो पहले सही था ही लिखा था
सही था ही दिखेगा फर्स्ट टाइम किसको।
कैसा लिखा हुआ है ऐसा लिखने वाले की गलती
तो उसको सर्कल करके रखो कि इसकी मदर नेम में चेंजेस करना है। एलसी का दे तो जरूरत से ना अपने पास, हाँ नोट करके रखो अभी से, हाँ सर्कल करके रखो टू बी करेक्टेड। Okay, so now yes, take the componendo dividendo. So this will 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. So this is equals to 49 minus 27 upon 49 minus 27. Okay, by componendo dividendo. Okay, by componendo dividendo. So now see 49 plus 27. So 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1. 4 plus 2 6 and carry 1 7. And sin minus 7 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is 76 upon 22. Now yes, this can be cancelled out with the 2. ये cancelled होगा तो उसको cancel करेंगे हम लोग। तो now see 11 2s are 22. Okay, 11 2s are 22. Now is but 11 6 is 66, 11 7 is 77, 1 is less, so that's why yes cancel out with 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16. So therefore 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equals to 38 upon 11. Okay, so in this way we have to use the property of the ratio and then we have to find out the values. Okay, डायरेक्टली हम लोगों को नहीं करना है, ये प्रॉपर्टीज को यूटिलाइज करना है एंड क्या करना है, वन बाय वन उसको हम लोगों को फॉलो करना है। नाउ यस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज, सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, if 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equals to 47 upon 7, then then find the value of find the value of the following. Okay, then find the value of the following. Now first one, okay, yes, a upon b. Second, 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. Third, third one is b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. And fourth one is b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Okay, so here first we have to find out the value of a upon b. इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी हम लोगों को, a upon b की वैल्यू निकालनी है. Once we got the value of a upon b, तो we can find out the others value. तो हम लोगों को others value easily मिल जाएगा. Okay, so now the expression is given, okay, in this form. So first we have to solve all this and to find out the a upon b value. Okay, इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, a upon b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है हम लोगों को. Okay, now see here also we have to utilize the properties of ratios. यहाँ भी properties of ratio को utilize करके a upon b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Okay, now see this is in denominator and this is in numerator. And in denominator, yes, there is minus 4b square, okay, and 15a square. Now when we do the componendo dividendo, so this will be added one time in the numerator and this will subtracted from the, yes, numerator. इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, componendo dividendo अगर हम करते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा, वन टाइम विल बी एडेड इन द न्यूमरेटर. न्यूमरेटर में एक बार ऐड हो जाएगा एंड दिस विल बी सबट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द डिनोमिनेटर, और डिनोमिनेटर में से ये क्या हो जाएगा, सबट्रैक्ट. तो इन दिस वे only one term will remain and one term will be eliminate. One term क्या हो जाएगा, eliminate हो जाएगा. So now see, yes, solution 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equals to 47 upon 7. Now you see 15a square 4b square, this is your first term, plus second term is 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square. So this is equals to 47 plus 7 upon 47 minus 7. Yes, ये ऐसा हम लोग कर रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं, componendo dividendo by componendo dash dividendo. Okay, तो what happens in componendo dividendo, क्या होता है उसमें, denominator is added in the numerator and denominator is subtracted from the numerator. क्या करते हैं कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो में, जो न्यूमरेटर में डिनोमिनेटर को ऐड करते हैं और न्यूमरेटर से ही डिनोमिनेटर को सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो नाउ ये 15a क्यूब, sorry, 15a square minus 4b square is in denominator, so this is added in the numerator and this is subtracted from the numerator. The numerator is 15a square plus 4b square. Now open the bracket. So here you will get a square plus 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square. Now here minus sign is there, so this 15a square will become minus 15a square and this minus and minus will become plus 4b square, and here 47 plus 7, 7 7 14, carry 1, so this will become 54, and here 47 minus 7 is equals to 40. Now see here 4b square and there is minus 4b square, this will become 0. ये दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे, 0. Similarly 15a square minus 15a square, this will also become 0. Okay, so yes, what you will get 15a square plus 15a square, so this will become the 30a square, and in denominator the 4b square plus 4b square, this will become 8b square, and here 54 upon 40. Now whatever कैन बी कैंसल्ड आउट, जो भी कैंसल्ड हो सकता है उसको क्या करना है, कैंसल करना है, बिकॉज हियर वी वांट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी. Okay, so now first cancel out. Okay, now see, this is divisible by 2, so 2 4 ja 8 and 2 15 ja 30. Okay, now here this is also divisible by 2, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, and this will become 20. Now see, a square upon b square. Now 27 upon 20. This 15 which is present in the numerator, this will go in denominator, and this 4 is in the numerator denominator, this will go in the numerator. Okay, now cancel out. Okay, this 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So now yes, what is left here? See, now this 27 and 15 both can be divided by the 3. So 3 5 are 15 and 3 9 are 27. So therefore a square upon b square is equals to, a square और b square की वैल्यू देखो अभी, a square upon b square is equals to 9 upon 5 5 are 25. Now take the square root, so a upon b is equals to, okay, a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5. Okay, taking square root, taking square root ऑन बोथ साइड्स, दोनों साइड में क्या लिया, स्क्वायर रूट लिया. तो ये ए का स्क्वायर रूट क्या, ए स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट इज ए, एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी, square root of square of b is b, and square root of the 9 is 3, and square root of 25 is 5. So now value of a upon b become 3 upon 5. कितना हो गया, 3 upon 5 हो गया. Okay, understood. So now yes, we got the value of a upon b. So now utilizing the value of a upon b, we can find out the other ratios. Okay, क्या करेंगे, other ratios find out करेंगे. A upon b is equals to 3:5. Now let's start with the second one. 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. Okay, its solution. Its solution. Now see, before this a there is 7, and before b there is 3. Okay, before a there is 7 and before b there is 3. So that's why we have to multiply the ratio a upon b, okay, by the 7 upon 3. a upon b को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ये a के पहले क्या चाहिए हम लोगों को, 7 चाहिए, एंड बिफोर 3, सॉरी बिफोर b वी वांट द 3. तो क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, so therefore 7a upon 3b is equals to, okay, here we have multiplied a with 7, so 3 into 7 and 5 into 3. तो यहाँ पे 7 अपॉन 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो सिमिलरली क्या होगा, हम लोगों को राइट साइड में भी 7 अपॉन 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, हियर वी विल राइट मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाय, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाय 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 से दोनों को क्या कर रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लाई. So now here we will get 7 3 are 21 and 5 3 are 15. Okay, so therefore 7 upon 3b is equals to, okay, now yes, 3 7 are 21, 3 7 are 21, and 5 3 are 15. Now see the expression that we want to find out. तो दिस इज द 7a माइनस 3b, 7a प्लस 3b। ओके, तो दिस इज द कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो। क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो। नाउ ये 7a प्लस 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equals to 21 upon 15. Now here what we have done, we have added the numerator, so here we will add the numerator, denominator 15, and here we will subtract the denominator from the numerator 15. Okay, ऐसा करना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को। क्या करना पड़ेगा? 7a प्लस 3b और 7a माइनस 3b कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो बाई componendo by componendo dash dividendo। कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो से ऐसा हो रहा है। ओके, तो देयर फॉर 7a प्लस 3b अपॉन 7a माइनस 3b इज इक्वल्स टू 21 प्लस 15। तो 5 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 6, 2 and 1 is 3, and 11 minus 5 is 6। so here what is left? 36 upon 6। now yes, 36 can be divided with the 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 the 36। so therefore 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equals to 6 upon 1, 6 upon 1। now in expression it is 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b। तो now here we will take the invertendo of it। क्या करेंगे? इसको इन्वर्स कर देंगे। So therefore 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b is equals to 1 upon 6। okay, by इन्वर्टेंडो। ये किससे हो गया? इन्वर्टेंडो से हो गया। इट्स क्लियर नाउ स्टूडेंट? समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? नाउ सी द थर्ड एक्सप्रेशन। कौन सा? एक्सप्रेशन नंबर 3, थर्ड वन। बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2a स्क्वायर अपॉन b square plus 2a square। okay, the value of b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square, that we have to find out। okay, now see the numerator contain the a and denominator contain the b। so now here yes, b square is first and then a square is there। पहले b square दिया क्वेश्चन में, फिर a square दिया है। तो now here we have to फर्स्ट टेक द इन्वर्टेंडो। क्या करेंगे? पहले ही इन्वर्टेंडो ले लेंगे। एंड बिफोर ए we want the 2 and before b we want the 1, and we have to square or take the square of a and square of b। so now first we will square। okay, so now a upon b is equals to, value of a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5। क्या है? 3 upon 5। now a square upon b square is equals to square of 3 and square of 5। yes, what you will write here? squaring squaring both sides, squaring both sides, दोनों साइड को क्या किया? स्क्वायर किया। तो therefore a square upon b square is equals to square of 3 is 9 and square of 5 is 25। okay, it's clear now? इतना समझ में आ गया? now see same expression, before a square there is 2, okay, and before b square there is 1, so it means we have to multiply, yes, 2 upon 1। so a square into 2, b square into 1, so similarly 9 into 2 upon 25 into 1, here multiplying।
ये था ना ये, और ये दोनों रोजरी लिखा हुआ है दोनों के आगे। दे दो इसको भी, ये लाइबा है ये भी, क्योंकि इसका कुछ लिखा नहीं है वहाँ पे। दे दो।
मल्टी multiplying both sides by 2 upon 1। okay, 2 upon 1 से दोनों साइड को मल्टीप्लाई करना है। so that's why now yes, a square into 2 is 2a square and b square into 1 is equals to b square. 9 2 is 18 and 25 1 is 25. Okay. Now in this expression there is b square first and then minus 2a square. तो first we will take the invertendo of it. इसको क्या करेंगे, इन्वर्टेंडो लेंगे. Then we will take the componendo and dividendo. Okay, then we will get the yes given expression which is asked in this question. Now let's take the invertendo. So therefore b square upon 2a square is equals to b square upon 2a square is equals to 25 upon 18 by invertendo. By invertendo से हो गया ये. It's clear now. Now yes we have to take the componendo dividendo of it. अब क्या ले लेंगे, componendo और dividendo इसका ले लेंगे. So now yes b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equals to 25 plus 18 upon 25 minus 18 by componendo dividendo. Okay, by componendo dividendo से हो रहा है ये. तो क्या हो जाएगा, yes this will be b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equals to 5 plus 8 13 carry 1 2 plus 1 3 and carry 1 4 and 15 minus 8 is 7 and 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the 43 upon 7. Now but in expression there is b square minus 2a square. Okay, जो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है, ये बी स्क्वायर माइनस टू स्क्वायर इज इन न्यूमरेटर एंड बी स्क्वायर प्लस टू ए स्क्वायर इन डिनोमिनेटर. So now here we will take the invertendo, then our final expression will be obtained. So b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is equals to 7 upon 43. So this is by invertendo. Invertendo. Okay, understood student? How to find out the given